Very heavy rainfall continuing to move across the advisory area, with radar estimating around 2 inches of rainfall over the last couple of hours, extending near Polo northeast to Oregon. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause minor flooding to occur. Some locations that Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Lee County in north central Illinois, northwestern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, Ogle County in north central Illinois, western Boone County in north central Illinois, Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 3 a.m. At 9:02 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall continuing to move across the warned area. Radar rainfall estimates of up to 3 inches extend from areas near Polo northeast to Forest and Pecatonica. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Belvedere, Dixon, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Mountain Woods, Egon, Rochelle, Rockford Airport, Brockton, South Detroit, Walden, Amboy, Ashton, Bayonne, Cherry Valley, Durand, Forreston, Franklin Grove, Hillcrest, Lake Somerset, Pecatonica, Polo, Roscoe, Stillman Valley, and Winnebago. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Do not enter the water. Turn around and move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject